Verify the identity. Secant squared x minus cosecant squared x is the same as tangent squared x minus cotangent squared x. What you're doing here is you're basically starting with the left and you're doing some math trickery to see if you can end up with something on the right. So this is what I see here. I see a Pythagorean theorem identity right here, and I see a Pythagorean theorem identity right there. Secant squared x is the same exact thing as 1 plus tangent squared x. Minus cosecant squared x is the same thing as 1 plus cotangent squared x. Oh, how they look so similar to each other. Now, if I take this and distribute the negative, I now have 1 plus tangent squared x minus 1, how about that, minus cotangent squared x. The 1 and the negative 1 cancel each other out, and that leaves me with tangent squared x minus cotangent squared x, which is what I'm trying to find. So did I verify the identity? Sure did. A little check mark says I did it.